Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lisandy and in this video I am going to show you how I made a beachwear out of a bedsheet and an old blouse. So let's get started! So I used a non-stretch fabric top to measure the width of the top part of my dress, then I hemmed it. And mind you guys, I'm not a seamstress, okay? I'm just a girl that loves to create and have fun, so if I can do this, you can too, sis. So right now I am hand sewing the ruffles that I did cut earlier from my old blouse. So I used the ruffles for the front side of my top. Now you can go ahead and shape the top as you like. I went for a heart-shaped look. I wanted a knotted top look, so I did use brown craft paper to draw two leaf shapes, pin them on the fabric to cut the patterns out. Let me tell you guys, the upper part of this dress was easy, it was fun to do, I enjoyed it so much. But at the other hand, the skirt part, you guys, it was the most difficult for me because the fabric, it doesn't stretch, and yeah, it was a trial and error process, but at the end it came out just perfect for me. Upper part down, skirt part to go. Let's get to it. So I wanted a upside down V shape, short in the front and longer in the back type of look. So right here I'm cutting the fabric in 4 and then I fold it in the front side in 2 to cut the V shape. And again guys, I just used a non-stretch fabric dress IO for the measurements. I just think it's easier. I went with a pencil skirt style, so right now I am sewing the bent part of the skirt. Now this is my favorite part, you guys, ruffles. I used 2 meters long and 40 centimeters wide of bedsheet fabric for the ruffles, and I also used strips of fabric of the old blouse. Right now I'm just stitching them together so that later on I can pull the fabric and create those cool and awesome ruffles. Right now I'm just stitching the front and the back part of my pencil skirt. This is the back side of the skirt, and right now I'm just pinning the ruffles so that later on I can stitch them together. So I used Velcro strips to close the backside of my skirt. And this is the final look, you guys. I am so pleased and excited about the results. More on this hairstyle and accessory, make sure to check out the upcoming videos. Alright, douchies, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao!